Welcome to the Marazzo Deep Dive. On this video series, we at Car and Bike are bringing you everything that's new and cool with the new Mahindra Marazzo. And as you can see, it's really roomy. It can seat up to 7 or 8 passengers. And it does that in comfort, in style, and indulgently. The Marazzo has plenty of space. Best-in-class shoulder room for the first 2 rows. Ample legroom for those who may like to use a chauffeur. And tons of cargo space. The Marazzo comes in 7 or 8-seater configurations, and all of those are forward-facing seats, of course. Now, unlike previous models, it's really easy to access that third row. All you have to do is use this one-touch tumble-down function on this seat. And then getting in becomes really easy despite the 150 mm ground clearance overall, and overall step-in height is just 465 mm. And this third row is pretty spacious even for adults and even for long journeys. Watch the rest of our video series that brings you more highlights of the Marazzo.